How to change Outlook password on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you change Outlook password on your phone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your device. Alright, after you open the browser, in the search field, you'll have to just search for the Outlook. Alright, after you search for Outlook, you'll have to just tap on the option outlook.live.com. Alright, so from this interface, you'll have to just log in with your Microsoft account on the Outlook. So simply tap on the option sign in here. Okay, so from this interface, you'll have to just log in with your Microsoft account. So simply from your give your email, phone or Skype ID. Alright, after you give it, tap on next. Okay, so from this interface, enter the password of your Outlook ID. As you can also go with the options like forgot password if you have forgotten your password. So simply enter your password. Alright, after you enter your password, tap on sign in. Alright, after you log into Outlook on browser, you will got such interface. So from your, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner. Alright, so from the profile section, tap on the options like My Microsoft Account. Alright, after you open your Microsoft account, on the account section, you can easily find the options like change password. So simply tap on that option, change password. Okay, so from this interface, you can easily change your password. So for that, you'll have to give your current password, and on the section new password, you'll have to enter the new password for your Outlook, and again you'll have to just confirm with that new password on re-enter password. And after you done it, you'll have to just tap on the option save. As you can also check the options like make me change my password every 72 days. So from your, after you check it, you'll have to just tap on the option save over here, and after you tap on that save option, you can easily change your password on Outlook by using your mobile phone. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.